Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Style, where we bring you the latest in cutting-edge travel and adventure vehicles. Today, we're diving into something that's set to revolutionize the way we think about compact RV travel, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. This futuristic, ultra-efficient micro-home on wheels is perfect for adventurers who want the freedom of the open road without the bulk of a traditional RV. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or a minimalist road warrior, this trike camper is built to take you places like never before. At first glance, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, lightweight frame, and energy-efficient systems, it's designed for both comfort and sustainability. Unlike traditional RVs or camper vans, this three-wheeled wonder offers the maneuverability of a motorcycle with the living conveniences of a micro-home. It's small enough to navigate through urban streets yet sturdy enough to take on off-grid adventures. The body of the Tricycle RV Camper is made from advanced composite materials, combining carbon fiber and aluminum for durability without adding excess weight. This means better mileage and easier handling, even for those who are new to three-wheel travel. With an electric powertrain, regenerative braking, and optional solar panels, this camper is built for energy efficiency. You can charge it at standard EV stations, use solar power for extended off-grid trips, or rely on its hybrid system for long-haul journeys. Inside, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is a masterclass in space efficiency. Step in, and you're greeted with a surprisingly roomy interior, thanks to its smart design. The compact layout includes a convertible sleeping area, a fold-out workspace, and even a tiny kitchenette. The bed transforms into a seating area during the day, and the hidden storage compartments make sure you have space for all your essentials without feeling cramped. The kitchenette is small but mighty, featuring a fold-out induction cooktop, a compact sink with a retractable faucet, and a mini fridge. The entire setup is designed to be energy efficient, with smart power distribution ensuring that you can cook, charge your devices, and keep your essentials fresh without overloading the system. One of the standout features is the modular bathroom setup. Instead of a traditional fixed bathroom, the Tricycle RV Camper has an innovative retractable wet room. It folds out when needed, with a compact showerhead, a composting toilet, and water-efficient fixtures. This allows for maximum usability without sacrificing space. For digital nomads, this camper is a dream. The built-in workspace includes a pop-up desk, a foldable chair, and multiple USB and AC outlets. The interior lighting is fully adjustable, so whether you're working on a laptop or relaxing with a book, you have the perfect ambience. High-speed internet connectivity is an option, with a built-in antenna that supports 5G and satellite internet for those truly off-grid moments. Safety and comfort go hand in hand with the Tricycle RV Camper. It's equipped with advanced driver assist features, including collision detection, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The digital dashboard provides real-time data on battery levels, navigation, and weather conditions, ensuring you're always in control. Heated seats, climate control, and an advanced ventilation system keep the interior comfortable, no matter where your adventures take you. Another key aspect of this camper is its sustainability. With its all-electric or hybrid options, it produces far fewer emissions compared to traditional RVs. The optional solar panels help reduce reliance on charging stations, and the water recycling system ensures minimal waste. For those looking to travel responsibly while reducing their carbon footprint, this is one of the most eco-friendly camper solutions available. Storage has been designed with practicality in mind. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper offers ample storage for your gear. The rear cargo area has built-in compartments for tools, outdoor equipment, and even a foldable e-bike for those extra off-road excursions. The roof rack can hold additional storage bins or solar panels, and the under-seat storage keeps your essentials organized and accessible. When it comes to driving, the Tricycle RV Camper offers a unique experience. The three-wheel setup provides excellent stability, and the lightweight frame ensures smooth acceleration and handling. The low center of gravity reduces the risk of tipping, even on sharp turns, and the reinforced suspension absorbs bumps for a comfortable ride. With its electric-assisted pedaling mode, you can even extend your range manually, making it ideal for eco-conscious travelers who want to reduce battery consumption. For those who love customization, this camper offers a range of upgrade options. From enhanced battery packs for longer journeys to personalized interior finishes, buyers can tailor their camper to fit their specific needs. There's even an option for an extended range model with additional solar capacity, allowing for longer off-grid trips. The pricing of the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is competitive compared to other micro RVs. While it's more affordable than traditional camper vans, it still offers high-end features and build quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly adventure vehicle or a premium version with all the bells and whistles, there's a configuration that fits your lifestyle. Another advantage is how easy it is to park and store. Traditional RVs and camper vans often require dedicated parking spaces or storage lots, but this trike camper fits in most standard parking spots. It's also lightweight enough to tow with a regular vehicle if needed, making transportation and storage hassle-free. As for real-world use, early adopters have praised the Tricycle RV Camper for its efficiency, comfort, and versatility. Many users love how easy it is to take on both city and wilderness trips. The ability to seamlessly switch between urban commuting and off-grid camping makes it one of the most flexible travel solutions available today. With the rising costs of fuel and increasing environmental awareness, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is a smart investment for future travelers. It offers the freedom of the open road with a fraction of the expenses and maintenance of a traditional RV. Plus, with more people embracing remote work and digital nomad lifestyles, this compact camper is the perfect solution for those who want to live and work on the road without compromise. Overall, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper represents a new era of travel innovation. It combines efficiency, sustainability, and convenience in a compact package that's ready to go wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or long-term off-grid living, this camper is designed to adapt to your needs. So, what do you think? Would you take the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting compact campers of the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in travel innovation. Thanks for watching Drive Style, and until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.